Thank you so much to KiwiCo for sponsoring today's video. We'll talk more about them later. Hot chocolate bombs are awesome, but it's even cooler when your hot chocolate bombs actually explode. But before we get to that part, the really cool exploding part, we're gonna make our hot chocolate bombs here in the studio, and then we're gonna go up to our secret location and make them actually do the cool exploding thing. So I've tried a couple different ways. I really love these unicorn baking chips. They make a really cool hot chocolate bomb design. And then what's really cool is that you can take any of these dark chocolate chips and mix them with candy melts, and you get a really nice mold of chocolate that's really good for encasing the innards of your hot chocolate bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some dark chocolate and some milk chocolate, and then we're gonna do some caramel as well, and then we're just gonna come up with a plethora of hot chocolate bombs that you guys can give to people this holiday season. Okay, our hot chocolate bombs are all filled and done with the first layer. I'm gonna use some liquid nitrogen to cool them down a little bit quicker, and then we're gonna put them in the fridge to fully chill all the way through, and then we'll do a second layer on them. Okay, so we just finished the second layer, and I used a little bit of liquid nitrogen to just get the cold process starting, and now we're gonna put them in the fridge for like 2 hours until these layers like fully set. While our hot chocolate bomb casings are setting, I wanted to show you guys another fun thing. It's the Alka-Seltzer hot chocolate rocket. This can be a fun prank that you do, or if you just want to do something with hot chocolate, it's really fun. But instead of it being hot, we're just going to use normal sink cold water so that we don't get 4th degree burns on ourselves, because that's not safe. So all you're going to need is a film canister, some Alka-Seltzer, a coffee mug, and a hot chocolate pack. And if you don't want to use hot chocolate, you can do all this just with water, and it works the exact same. So what you're going to do is you're going to pop this lid off of your canister, add some glue to the back of your lid, place it in the bottom of your coffee cup, and then you're going to take an Alka-Seltzer and you're going to glue that to the lid. So I'm going to actually just add my glue dot to the center of the lid. So all I did was add a bit of hot glue into the center of that crater hole thing in the film canister, and then my Alka-Seltzer is just sitting on top of it setting. What I like about this fun little prank or trick is that you don't have to wait. You can literally pour the water in and the Alka-Seltzer is going to react, but you don't have to worry about it overreacting and the Alka-Seltzer basically going away. You can put this little cap on it any time because the Alka-Seltzer actually takes a while to dissolve in the water. Let's go check out our hot chocolate bomb molds, and hopefully we can get going on those. Okay, our molds have been in the fridge for about, I would say 45 minutes and have cooled all the way down. Now we just have to demold them. The best way to do this is on a baking sheet, so you just flip them all over. Now, if you don't want to get fingerprints on the glassy surface, you can use gloves. I personally do not care. Fingerprints mean it was made with love. And now we're going to melt down the sides of one set of them. Now we're going to bring the tray back over and we're going to basically put all the fillings inside, which is, I think, the best part. Once they are completely full and you're happy with what you've put inside of them, you're going to take them back over to the stove. We're going to put the caps on top, and then you just let them cool all the way, and then you decorate them. Look at all those marshmallows. This is great. And then we just mix the rest of it down at the bottom. Oh, that's good. That's really good. That's spectacular. This is way better than I was anticipating it being. Hot chocolate bombs are cool and everything, but I think it's time for us to actually make one explode. This is sodium metal, and it's going to make our hot chocolate bombs actually explode. So we're going to run a few tests with it. We've used it before on the channel. Then we're going to put it into our hot chocolate bombs and see how it does the thing, because it shouldn't react with chocolate, but then it will react once the hot chocolate bomb melts into the water. Oh, what an interesting texture. It kind of feels like you're cutting through like thick butter of some kind, like, or just a really thick material. It's really interesting, actually. So now we're going to introduce it to water, and then I'm going to run away very fast. Ah! Holy fudge nuggets! This is gonna be so cool. Now I'm going to put some chocolate in here. We're gonna wipe this down. We're gonna put some chocolate in here and then put the sodium metal on top of it and see what happens. If nothing happens, then we move on to our hot chocolate bombs. I haven't tested this, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't hear any fizzing, I don't see any fizzing, and usually that's the first sign of it reacting. So that's promising. I hear nothing. That's a good sign. So that was a super successful test because it did not explode when it was introduced to chocolate, which makes me feel like I can actually put pieces in here now and safely seal them up without the sodium exploding on me, because that's dangerous and not safe. So let's go get kabooming with coffee cups. Hot chocolate bomb number 1. Mmm! Holy smokies! Oh, that was the most terrifying and amazing thing that's ever happened. It's enough. Hot chocolate bomb. Every time. What's happening? Oh, why is it on fire? What's happening? Come on, hot chocolate bomb. Hot chocolate bombs that you can eat, and also ones that make your coffee mugs lose their butts. So this was awesome. If you guys want to see us do anything else with sodium metal, let us know in the comments below. This was awesome, and I hope you enjoyed it. Also, make sure you check out our new podcast. It's over on TKOR or on any streaming service that you like. That's all I got for you today. I'm gonna go throw away this coffee mug now. KiwiCo is defining the future of play by making it engaging, enriching, and seriously fun. They create amazing hands-on projects and toys designed to expose children to the concepts in STEAM. Each monthly crate is designed by experts and tested by kids and teaches them a new theme through hands-on learning. KiwiCo offers 9 subscription lines, each catering to a different age group and topic. As a babysitter and nanny, I think I look forward to the crates more than the children did, not only because it was fun and engaging, but I was learning right alongside them. KiwiCo is great for all ages, and the excitement on their faces when they're learning something new and enjoying the end product just makes my heart so happy, because I was sparking joy, creativity, and helping them develop critical thinking skills. The great thing is KiwiCo now ships to more than 40 countries. KiwiCo is the best gift this holiday season because it's a gift that continues to give. Let's make the holidays a little less prepackaged and a little more hands-on. You're giving them the best gift this season because you're giving the gift of exploration, creativity, and the ability to create your own innovative designs and outcomes. Empower your loved ones this season with 50% off your first month of any crate by going to kiwico.com/TKOR50. We made it easy for you and put it down in the description. Not only are you supporting creativity, but you're supporting our channel as well during the holiday season, so we can keep creating right alongside you. Happy holidays! This is not good.
What happened?
So our water was lukewarm, not boiling hot, so the hot chocolate bomb isn't melting, so Mark is babysitting it to make sure it explodes. Because right now it's not exploding. It only explodes once, right?